How to scan QR code in Capcut. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scan QR code on Capcut. So let's get started. Recently, Capcut updated their application and have moved things around and options around in the application. So they have also shifted the QR code option from one place to another. So I'm going to show you where you can locate that option. So first of all, you got to click on settings and make sure that you have a very good Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile service, then make sure you're using the latest version such as 5G, which is right now. And once done, you can just go and open your Capcut application. So just click on Capcut. So then you gotta click on me over here at the bottom right. So once you're here in your profile, you have to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And over here, you'll be able to see an option that says scan. So just click on scan and position your camera on the PC screen or any other phone screen where the QR code is. So just scan it and make sure your cameras are clean so that the vision is not blurry. So that was how you can scan QR code in Capcut. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.